Andrew, just wanted to make you a quick video. I figured it'll be easier to explain. So I was looking in the system and I wasn't finding the area where you can actually define the resort like you had talked about. And I think it depends on the configuration of the Streamline system. I believe there's like a resort style version of the system's configuration. Maybe it's an access thing for me. My level of access, I can't find that variable where you can actually set up your resort. I only get the locations resort, which looks like is already being used in the purpose for Primus Villas. So I don't think that's going to be changeable for VRE and Primus. So I'm not sure if any of these other ones could be repurposed for separating Primus Villas and VRE or not. I do see, obviously you guys had talked about the property group, the way you're configuring that. So I spoke with Ken and the plugin team at Streamline. They can add in the necessary pieces to target property group. It's just not currently built. So it would be another customization. And I know we're sending up quite a bit of work for Primus Villas into this next sprint. So if you guys were interested in this, we could slide it in. That planning meeting is going to happen over Monday and Tuesday, so I could get a definitive answer on what maybe a cost would look like to develop that. And basically what I mean by doing that custom development is like that image I showed you where I'm looking at Streamline's core settings within the website's plugin. Let me scroll down here. Basically, we would be making property group an available option here at that point if none of these current ones are repurposable, because like I said, nothing shows when I select resort, and I know you said you guys aren't using that. I just don't know if your system is set up accordingly or if that's going to cause any issues, because my understanding, basically resorts, when you do a resort style system, that's going to actually change the way search works on the sites as well, to where you're actually selecting a resort and each resort is kind of getting its own inventory page that you can dial down that inventory. So I don't know that that field is one that'll actually work. Part of that is my fault for mentioning that. I didn't really realize that to have that feature, there's a different functionality within the system that comes along with that. So basically neighborhood, location, resort, or areas without having a resort style system are the ones that would be used, and we could get the property group made. Like I said, right now nothing talks to the property group, but it could be a benefit and an easier route to just maybe spend a little extra there, and we'll get that customization developed, and then basically the property groups you guys already have set up, I think would be applicable, because then I could just target the ones that you have indicated for VRE. Let me know what you guys think, hopefully before, say, Monday around noon Mountain Standard Time, as that's usually when we start getting into the planning meetings. Thank you.